This is a simple outdoor receptacle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how using one simple device from Lutron is going to change the way you convert your outdoor receptacles and make them smart. If you guys want to learn the simple and easiest way to convert your outdoor receptacle into a smart receptacle, stay with me in this video and I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to get it done. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For all my newcomers, welcome to the channel, and if you're a long-time subscriber, welcome back. Guys, in today's video, I got a simple DIY video for you to show you guys how I convert all my outdoor receptacles into smart receptacles. Simple and easy way to do it. Now, if you're new to the channel here, as usual, I'm going to leave everything that I use in the description so you guys know where to find it. And I'm going to keep this one short and simple and sweet for you guys. Now, if you have an outdoor receptacle and you've always wanted to have a smart outdoor receptacle where you can control it from your smartphone, schedule it to turn on and off, plug in devices that you can schedule to turn on and off depending on your needs, well, this is the video for you. I'm going to talk to you guys about the ways that you can do this and the way that I've started to do this a few years back. First and foremost, let me get this out of the way. I'm not sponsored in this video. I've purchased this device and I've used several of them around my home, so I figured I'd share with you guys what I like to use whenever I'm converting an outdoor outlet to be a smart outlet. As you know, if you have an outdoor receptacle and you want to make it smart, you pretty much have three options. One, you can replace the entire outdoor outlet with a smart outlet, which is going to take the most work and you're going to have to mess with the electrical circuitry a little bit. So if you're not familiar with it and you are a little antsy about working with electrical wires, then you may not want to use this option. The second option is using some sort of smart plug that you use, and you've seen them around your home. And you've seen them all over Amazon. They just plug in. The problem is most of them are not water resistant and not waterproof. They're pretty clunky and they may not fit inside your housing and allow you to plug stuff into them at the same time. With that, here comes the third and final option, and one of the options that I like to use, which is this little device here from Lutron, which is a wireless outdoor smart plug. I've used these all around my home and I recommend you using them too. These things are super easy to install. They're not complicated at all. It only has one button, as you can see on the front here, which turns it on and off and allows you to program it and pair it to your smartphone. And to install this thing is really easy. All you really need to do is go ahead and plug it into your outdoor receptacle, and it pretty much just hangs there. Now you have options. You can either leave it hanging freestanding like this, or it comes with holes on the exterior here that allows you to mount it to whatever surface you have, whether it's concrete or wood. You'll be able to mount it without a problem. Once you have it mounted, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and hold down the power button until it starts flashing, and then you can jump into your Lutron app if you already have it, or if not, go ahead, download it. Once you have it in pairing mode, it's going to search and it's going to find your smart plug and it's going to start the pairing process. Now, as with everything with Lutron, they make everything super simple and it's really compatible and easy to use. So once you have it paired in your phone, now the hard work is done. You can go ahead and set up schedules, set up timers, set up alerts to make sure that you have this thing functioning exactly how you want it. Now, for my purposes, I like to use my outdoor smart plug to control my Christmas lights, my inflatables, and if I have an outdoor timer that I need to be controlled, I just slap one of these things in one of my outlets and boom, I have a smart outlet ready at the drop of a hat. The cool thing about this is they're really not that expensive for what they offer, and the best part about it to me is that it's completely waterproof. You can leave this thing out here and it will weather the elements and last a long time. Now, it's not submersible, so I wouldn't suggest putting it in water, but if you have it outside, just hanging here like you see mine, it should be good to go. And as all things made by Lutron, you can count on it being dependable and for it to last a long time. So what are my final thoughts? Well guys, listen, if you guys are into DIY and you want to have an outdoor smart outlet or a smart switch, this is probably one of the easiest ways to go. Now, obviously, if you're really into DIY, you can always slap a smart outlet in. But again, like I said, you may not want to mess with electrical, and this is super easy. It literally is just plug and play. So I do recommend it, and I use them, like I said, on a lot of my outdoor outlets so I can control a bunch of different things that I have plugged in there. Now, if you guys found this helpful, leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys actually have one of these things, or if you have another smart outdoor plug that you guys use or would recommend. Leave them in the comments. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say. But other than that, there's not much to say about this thing. I hope you guys found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, like this video. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.